Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. First, we are going to sit here.
इसका रेन लिलीज है जो ये टाइम पे आता है। आपका स्कूल में भी है, हॉस्टल के सामने।
हाँ ये भी है, ये वाली देखो मम्मी स्कूल के लिए क्या आता है ना।
I was in my village, so I love to farm. Lavender नहीं दिखा, lavender आगे भाग।
এদিকটা খালি থাকলে ভালো হতো, সামনেরটা।
जो प्रोसेस आज हम दिखाएंगे, ये सबसे पहला प्रोसेस है बडिंग। मतलब अगर एक प्लांट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो उसका प्रोसेस है बडिंग। बडिंग जो प्रोसेस है उसको हम आज दिखाएंगे कि बडिंग कैसे करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले ये रोज स्टिक है। रोज प्लांट का जो स्टिक होता है वो रोज स्टिक है। रोज स्टिक का जो लीफ पोर्शन है, वो लीफ के वहाँ पे छोटा सा ग्रीन कलर का ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स रहता है। छोटा सा ग्रीन कलर का ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स रहता है, दिख रहा है?
पीछे रहो।
छोटा सा पॉइंट है ग्रीन कलर का, इसको ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स बोलते हैं।
Write the name. Small plant which is absorbed auxiliary.
Yes?
Auxiliary.
Auxiliary.
ये ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड्स है।
In rose plant we have observed the auxiliary bird, right? Instead of talking.
This one, light green color.
Light green color auxiliary bird.
Small one. We have to cut this auxiliary bird and put into this rootstock. This process will called budding. Okay?
The process of putting the auxiliary bird in the mud
into the
is known
rootstock.
as budding. Right.
तुम्हें इसे काटो, कट को रेडी।
The process of putting the auxiliary bird inside the mud is known as budding. Stop murmuring. Sorry.
This one is wild rose.
Putting the auxiliary bird.
This one, wild rose. We have to cut this to this shape. We have to remove the upper skin without damaging the inner
Inside.
stem. See, some V shape will create.
If you're not clear,
We have to cut the straight line and remove the upper shell. Upper skin will remove.
what rose क्या बोले पूछो.
See,
No, which rose?
wild rose.
Wild rose.
Wild, W-I-L-D. Then we have to put these auxiliary birds into this cut shape. Okay? And tie with this polythene.
ऑक्सिलरी बर्ड जो भी जस्ट मेड वाइल्ड रोज के स्टेम के अंदर डाला वाइल्ड रोज का दैट वी हैव टू पुट इनसाइड द सॉइल अदर बर्ड इज सेइंग
No, hybrid variety.
hybrid one,
Which one is good?
good flower, which gives you
I
good
want to
flower.
multiply the plant. Then this process will go to multiply the same quality of plant. Okay. Cut this portion and we have insert the auxiliary buds. See, it will tie up properly. You cannot see any kind of gap
Good flower.
to this.
And other plant which gives a very good flower, right? So that good flower budding, I take it out from there and insert it in this process. Usually rose plant and what are plants? Berry plant. Then
Hibiscus also done.
right? Hibiscus also we
Hibiscus
do
also
in
done in
this
this
budding.
which other plants has been done in this way. He's saying the
And
names.
tie up with this polythenes.
Sir, after that, it will, after 2 months, it
No,
will
not 2 months, near about 15 to 20 days. It will grow up and the polythene, we have to cut the polythene after 30 days. When it will, auxiliary buds will come out, then we have to cut the polythene. Okay?
Sir, it will stuck in that only.
Yes?
It will stick in that only.
Yes.
It will grow in that.
Yeah.
Inserted in
Insert and tie up this.
after 30 days. Plastic has to be right the lines. You can see.
Monisha, this one is budding and we will show you another. This is called grafting. What is the difference between budding and grafting? When we use the process budding, then we use only single auxiliary buds. You can see only single one auxiliary buds we can use for the budding process. And when we use the grafting method, then we will take this portion. There is multiple auxiliary buds, not the single one. That's the basic difference between the budding and grafting. When we create the grafting, then we use more than one auxiliary bud. And when we want to create the budding, then only one single auxiliary buds will use. Okay? This one is budding and this one is grafting. Okay? More than one auxiliary buds we can use. This one is wild mangoes. This one is not hybrid mango, wild mango species. We have to grow from the mango stone. Mango seeds which can inside this mango, we have to grow this kind of wild species to multiply the hybrid plant. This one is hybrid one. We have to cut the corolla like this. Calyx will attach with the stem. We cannot cut.
The
Yes?
leaf with a little stem is called
Yeah,
corolla.
every.
And the main branch when the little interleaf is coming out, that is called calyx.
This process is for that. If we cut the corolla, for the photosynthesis, there is no leaf. Then the food will go there and it will store here. If that leaf is not available, then photosynthesis will not create. Without leaf, plant cannot photosynthesis. So the food will go there and it will store. After 7 days, it will thicker due to the presence of foods, and the calyx will fall down automatically. Then it will look like this. You can see the calyx will automatically fall down. Then when the calyx will fall down, we have to cut this kind of portion near about 4 to 5 inch from the hybrid plants, and then this one is mango seeds plant, and we have to cut the V shape and insert this portion. This one is stalk and this one is scion.
হ্যালো কি হয়েছে বলো
The time of cutting, the fine cut will be provided. You can see there is no any kind of
No,
patches or any kind of thick portion. Only single cut will start from there to there. There is no
এখন
another cut.
বুঝাচ্ছি, একটু
Single
পরে
cut
তোমাকে
will
call
be there
করছি।
so that the calyx, the cambium tissue will connect
ঠিক
properly.
আছে
the wild plant, we are cutting off the stalk. Called that stalk.
STOCK, stock.
Oh, stalk. Okay, so stalk. Which one you call?
Stock. This
STOCK.
STOCK, stock means to store the foods. This one is called stock. And
Okay,
this
stock.
one is Sion.
Sion.
Here. And then cut the 70 and 30 portion. Outer portion is 30% and the inner portion is 70%. You can see a V shape will create.
Yes, sir.
The cut will be fine always. There is no patches or no damage in the stem. If we will damage this portion, it will not connect the cambium tissue. Then the mortality percentage will increase. This one is also cut in the same. We create the V shape and create a V. Okay? This cut also same. And we have to insert this and tie up with the polybag. Both stalk and stem thickness will be same. We cannot select the stalk more than this. If we select same kind of stalk and stem, the percentage, mortality percentage will be less. इसका जितना ज़्यादा portion, जितना ज़्यादा thickness आपका select करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा percentage आपका success होगा. इसको अगर हम ज़्यादा select करेंगे, तो इसका mortality percentage बढ़ जाएगा. Plant उतना बचेगा नहीं हमारा. उसको नीचे से अच्छे से एकदम ऊपर तक टाई अप करेंगे पॉलीबैग से. उसका जो जॉइनिंग पोर्शन है उसमें से वाटर लॉगिंग नहीं होना चाहिए या फिर वहां से पानी नहीं जाना चाहिए. तो वो कारण उसका पूरा पोर्शन अच्छे से टाइट करना है. ये नीचे से लेके ऊपर तक हम लोग अच्छे से पूरा टाइट किया ताकि पूरा एयर टाइट है और वाटर लॉगिंग भी ना हो उसके अंदर. दिस वन सियन, दिस लोअर वन इज स्टॉक एंड दिस वन इज सियन. नहीं,
अगर वाटर लॉगिंग हो जाए तो क्या होगा?
ये सड़ जाएगा, यहाँ पे फंगल ग्रो हो जाएगा, फिर वो बचेगा नहीं. हम लोगों का अगर कोई डैमेज होता है तो उसको हम बैंडेज करके रखते हैं. क्यों? ताकि वो फंगस से, बैक्टीरिया से वो प्रोटेक्ट रहे. सेम है इसको हम लोग डैमेज किया है प्लांट्स को, तो इसको अगर हम पॉलीथीन से कवर करके प्रोटेक्ट नहीं रखेंगे तो फिर वो अच्छा नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है, ये प्रोसेस हो गया ग्राफ्टिंग. और इसके पहले जो दिखाया था वो प्रोसेस है बडिंग. ओके ओके, चलो. मैम स्लोली.
Yes.
नहीं, इसको पालना पड़ेगा.